Hello friends. This is Abhijit, automation expert. Today we are going to see how to download and install RSLogix500 software for Allen Bradley PLC programming. Use link given above picture to download RSLogix500 software. I am simply double click on it and it will open browse to download. Here. Browser is opened. Now click on download button. Click on download anyway. It will ask for download location. Select folder. Click on save button. It will start downloading on your PC. Time required is more due to internet speed. We will continue after downloading is done. Downloading is completed. And I copied zip file on desktop. Now extract here this zip file. AB software folder appear on desktop. Open folder. Start auto run. In autoplay menu, select required step. Install factory talk components. Then select install factory talk service platform. Click on Finish. Select No to restart later. Go back on previous page. Select Install RSLogix500 version 8.30. Now, follow the process shown in video. Select Install RSLinx Classic Lite version 2.57. This is a communication software, which includes communication drivers and electronic data sheets of devices used in automation. Click on Finish. After finishing of RSLinks software, select View Optional Step Page. Then select Install RSLogix Emulate 500 version 6.0. Here, installation is done. Now, we can see software icons on desktop. Restart computer now.